Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add bounce animation in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to add bounce animation. At first, click the text box or select you can any object. Go to the animation menu. Select the drop down menu. We can see here many animation. Find and select the bounce animation. We can see here the bounce. Now I am select another object and added the animation. Now we want to see the all animation at once. Select the preview option and see the animation. Now we can see we added bounce animation in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.